So these are our water stones here, and this is the stone bath that we've picked up for our water stones. It's important to soak your water stones for about 10 minutes before you use them so that they have filled with water. This guy's been soaking for a while. The first thing that we do before we do a collection of scissors is we have to make sure that the stone is flat, perfectly flat. So we have a diamond truing stone here that we put our sharpening stone on. Go back and forth on it until we get a nice flat surface, and we'll know it's flat because you'll see even wear from the diamond abrasive after going back and forth. That is a little bit of work required right there, but just requires a few passes, and then we get a nice even base on this water stone, and then we can just drop it into our clamp. And then there we go. We have our, this is a 5,000 grit water stone. This is an 8,000 grit water stone. So those are the combinations that we're using. We do have a finer stone as well that we use for really, really mirror polished fine convex scissors.